Welcome to Priyacreations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next. This is first beautiful ribbon border design. It's second border design. It's biology cover page design. It's fourth beautiful border design. It's fifth flower border design. It's sixth framework design. It is seventh flower border design. It's geography project work design. It's ninth ribbon border design. It's 10th beautiful flower border design. It's peacock framework design. It's 11th ribbon border design. It's 12th flower border design. It's 13th framework design. English for cover page design. It's 16th flower border design. It's 17th ribbon border design. It's a biology cover page design. It's 19th flower border design. It's 20 ribbon border design. It's beautiful feather border design. It's beautiful flower border design. This is a flower frame design. This is a Save the Elephant cover page design. It's a 25th flower border design. 26th framework design. This is physics cover page design. 28th flower border design. It's another flower border design. It's a frame border design. This is 31 frame design. This is beautiful flower border design. It's 33rd flower frame design. 34th framework design. It's 8 flower border design. It's girl hand holding love icon design. It's physics project design. It's a love icon design. It's 39th ribbon border design. It's a beautiful flower frame design. This is a flower frame design. Which design you like? Please comment it on comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.